Welcome back to List Jumbo. The gemstones on this list rival their well-known counterparts for their rarity, clarity, and overall wow factor. Here are the top 10 coolest gemstones. Number 10. The Trichroism Tanzanite. The scientific name of this stunning bluish-purple gemstone is blue-violet zoisite, but it is more commonly known as tanzanite. Tanzanite was first discovered in 1967 by Manuel de Souza and is named for where it was found, Tanzania. In fact, tanzanite can only be found in Tanzania, near the Miraloni foothills of Mount Kilimanjaro. Tanzanite is unique in that it displays different colors under different lights. This is because tanzanite has trichroism, which is a color-changing property not commonly found in gemstones. But in tanzanite, trichroism is actually a core component. Under fluorescent light, the blue hues of this beautiful gemstone will come through, but under incandescent light, the gemstone will appear more violet in color. Tanzanite and its color-changing properties is extremely rare, and its natural supply is depleting. As such, a carat of tanzanite can cost upwards of $1,000 US, depending on its clarity and crystal orientation. Number 9. The Stubborn Red Beryl. Also known colloquially as a red emerald or scarlet emerald, red beryl is not an emerald at all, but is rather a rare gemstone that can only form under very strict conditions. Bixbite, as it's formally called, needs a unique environment to grow. First, there must be large amounts of beryllium present and an equal amount of manganese, since manganese is what gives the red beryl its unique red color. From there, red beryl requires a specific geochemical condition to allow its components to crystallize. And this all needs to happen in a place where there are cavities or fractures so that the red beryl can grow. Because red beryl requires such stringent conditions to form, it is not only beautiful, it is also very rare. In fact, it's estimated by the Utah Geological Survey that for every 150,000 gem-quality diamonds, there is only one gem-quality red beryl, which drives up the price per carat of red beryl to around $10,000 per carat. Currently, the only place that gem-quality red beryl can be found is in the Wawa Mountains of Utah. Number 8. The Stately Bonitoite. Found exclusively in the headwaters of the San Benito River in San Benito County, California, bonitoite was named the official state gem of California in 1985. This lovely gem, which can appear blue or white, is often called one of the most beautiful gems in the world. It was named by its discoverer George D. Louderback. Louderback first discovered this gem in 1907, and he named it after the Bonito River. Bonitoite is commonly known for its 5-star crystal form, although a rarer 6-point crystal form has been found. This 6-point crystal form, called the Star of David, is so rare that there are only 24 samples of it in existence. Bonitoite makes for small gemstones, usually a carat in size, and never more than 2 carats. Bonitoite currently sells for around $4,000 per carat. Number 7. The Colorful Black Opal. Opal is the national gemstone of Australia, as that's where the majority of opals come from. But unlike a regular or white opal, a black opal is one of the most stunning gemstones around. A black opal is not actually black though, as its name suggests. In fact, a good quality black opal will display all the colors of the rainbow. This is because a black opal contains both iron and carbon, which are responsible for giving it its dark color. But because the opal is dark, the rainbow colors are more predominant in a black opal than in a white opal. In fact, the darker the opal, the brighter the rainbow. The most precious black opals are full of bright, cosmic, swirling colors. Black opals are unique to the lightning range of New South Wales, Australia. The price of a black opal varies greatly depending on its quality, but a good quality black opal, complete with stunning rainbow colors, averages around $10,000 US per carat. Number 6. the accidental taphite. Taphite is a rare gemstone with an unusual backstory. Taphite was discovered completely by accident in 1945 when Australian geologist Count Edward Charles Richard Taff was sorting through a box of spindle gems in a jeweler's shop in Dublin, Ireland. When he noticed that one of the cut gems was a little different than the others, taphite was officially discovered. Taff named the gem after himself, and taphite is the only gem that was discovered in cut or faceted form. But taphite's fame does not stop there. Taphite is also the first mineral to have both beryllium and magnesium as essential components. And while taphite is often confused with spindle because of the similarities they share, especially in color, taphite is actually one of the rarest gems in the world. Found mostly in Sri Lanka and Tanzania, there have only ever been a handful of this rare gemstone found. Hence, the tagline for taphite is, "Taphite, a million times rarer than a diamond." Number 5. The Royal Demantoid Garnet. This green gemstone not only shines bright like a diamond, it actually has a better brilliance and dispersion than a diamond's. First discovered in the 19th century by Russian mineralogist Niels Gustav Nordenskjöld, this regal gem quickly became the gem of choice among Russian czars. Highly durable and scratch-resistant, this dazzling green diamond-like jewel is only found in Russia and is usually less than 10 carats. The demantoid garnet is the most brilliant of all green gemstones, outshining emeralds and peridots alike. Demantoid is at its most brilliant when it is small and light in color. As such, it is commonly seen in antique jewelry, especially in pieces of royal descent. And aside from its brilliance and color, demantoid garnet is also known for its distinctive golden-colored horsetails. Number 4. The dazzling Padparaja Sapphire. Padparaja is the world's rarest sapphire, and its name comes from Sanskrit and means aquatic lotus bloom. The rare sapphire is a gorgeous pinkish-orange color and is a mix of red ruby and yellow sapphire in coloring. It is mainly mined in Sri Lanka, but can also be found in Madagascar and Tanzania. It has a much cleaner clarity than a ruby, and it is known as a majestic stone. A Padparaja sapphire does not have an even coloring, as hints of pink and yellow are found throughout its core salmon color. The Padparaja sapphire is a unique gemstone, and no two Padparaja sapphires are the same. It is usually under 2 carats, and to intensify its brilliant pink color, it often undergoes heat treatment. Number 3. The color-changing alexandrite. Alexandrite is a fascinating gemstone that actually changes color. It is known for its plecroid properties, meaning that its colors will change if you rotate it in your hand. But its unique color-changing properties don't end there. Alexandrite will also change color independently, regardless of your viewing angle. Under natural light, it will appear a greenish blue, but under incandescent light, it can look reddish purple. It is a very hard gemstone and has a rare combination of minerals including iron, titanium, and chromium. It was first discovered in the 1830s in the Russian Ural Mountains. It was thus named in honor of the Tsar of Russia at that time, Alexander II. Number 2. The infamous blue diamond. The blue diamond, although not the rarest of the colored diamonds, is the most sought-after gemstone at auctions. The world's supply of blue diamonds is decreasing, which increases the demand for this rare gemstone. Its brilliant blue color comes from boron that is trapped inside its crystal lattice. Because boron absorbs yellow light, the diamond reflects blue. Blue diamonds are mined at the Cullinan mine near Pretoria in South Africa. Throughout history, there have been a number of famous blue diamonds, including the Oppenheimer blue diamond, which is 14.62 carats and worth $57 million US. But the Oppenheimer blue diamond is neither the world's largest blue diamond nor the world's most famous. That title goes to the Hope diamond. The Hope diamond, at 45.52 carats, is both the world's most famous gemstone and also the most infamous jewel of all time. The Hope Diamond is thought to be cursed, causing tragedy and bad luck to all that have owned it. Number 1. The elusive painite. In 2005, painite was given the title of the world's rarest gem by the Guinness Book of World Records. Its coloring ranges from dark red to brownish red-orange, and it has only ever been found in Myanmar. In its crystal form, it has a natural hexagonal shape and can sometimes be misidentified as a ruby due to its coloring. It has a unique chemical makeup of boron, aluminum, oxygen, calcium, and zirconium. Painite was first discovered in the 1950s by British mineralogist Arthur Payne, and the unique gemstone was named after him. Painite is not only extremely rare, it is also very difficult to cut into faceted gemstones. As a result, it is often cut shallow, which diminishes its brilliance. As of 2005, there were only 25 known samples of this elusive gemstone in the world, making it number 1 on our list of top 10 coolest gemstones. Check out my previous video on the top 10 largest icicles ever found, and subscribe to List Jumbo for more.